Hi everyone, my name is Evan Gutman, and this is the introductory video for my legal education series, which I am launching at this time. There's going to be, roughly speaking, about 30 videos. Most of them will be only about 5 to 10 minutes long. Some will be a bit longer. I'm going to be publishing these on Facebook, YouTube, on my own two websites, which are at gutmanvaluations.com and heavensadmissions.com. Probably LinkedIn also. And tell you a little bit about myself first. I am 65 years old. I'm a Pennsylvania attorney, a District of Columbia attorney. I'm admitted to the Federal Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals, as well as the Federal Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. Also admitted to the U.S. Tax Court Bar, and I'm a certified public accountant. I have two websites, gutmanvaluations.com and heavensadmissions.com, which contain a lot of legal information, including 3 books that I have written. One book is titled State Bar Admissions and the Bootlegger's Son, which is a historical analysis of what is known as the good moral character requirement in order to obtain a law license. The second book was written about 10 years later, and it's a supplement to that book. Both books are not only applicable today, but probably more applicable than when I wrote them, because the good moral character requirement has become a very hotly contested issue over the years, although it has been a hotly contested issue literally since inception of this nation. Each video is numbered in sequence, except for this introductory video. The introductory video just tells you a little bit about what I'm doing and what's coming out. The next video will be video number 1, which will cover more substantive material, and all the videos after that will also cover substantive material. Like I said, there's going to be about 30 of them, maybe a bit less, maybe a bit more actually, depending upon how long I do this for. Let me tell you basically about the good moral character requirement in order to obtain a law license. In order to obtain a law license, it's required that the individual have good moral character. The problem is determining what good moral character constitutes is very subjective in nature. People have opinions about what good moral character is on all issues. You know, some people believe that it's good moral character to be pro-life on the topic of abortion. Some believe it's good moral character to be pro-choice. In the other end of the spectrum, the people that believe it's good moral character to be one way believe that the other way is not good moral character. If you take the Palestinian-Israeli conflict, the Palestinians believe that Israel does not have good moral character and that they do. Israel believes that they have good moral character and the Palestinians don't. So it depends upon which side of the coin you're on with respect to any issue, whether taxes should be high, taxes should be low. And when you determine whether someone gets a law license based upon whether they have good moral character or not, in my view, the determination should be based upon objective standards. Have they ever been convicted of a crime or not convicted of a crime? Pretty much everybody believes that's a fair gauge on the issue of good moral character. You get into other issues where they become not statements of the person's conduct, but rather instead their opinion, and it becomes real dicey. In addition, the videos will address other topics regarding the legal profession and the judiciary branch of government, some very troublesome issues, and some of the information is quite objectionable to some people and not objectionable to other people. So this is the first introductory video. Actually, this is the only introductory video. The substantive videos will begin with the next video that I release over the next few days. I'll be releasing a video, I anticipate, probably one video, sometimes every day, sometimes every 2 days, sometimes every 3 days. And I'm hopeful you enjoy them. I think I have a lot to offer as far as the problems people face in the world with respect to dealing with litigation. At some point or another, pretty much everybody deals with litigation in their life, whether it's a divorce, a lawsuit of some sort. So I have a pretty good idea as to what is going on in the legal profession because I've been a lawyer, Pennsylvania lawyer. Now, like I say, I'm 65. I was originally licensed in 1995. So that's what, 30 years ago? I guess as a CPA, I should know how many years it is. So yeah, about 30 years I've been an attorney, and I've been a CPA for about 40 years, actually. My initial licensure as a CPA was in 1985. So I hope you enjoy them, and it's going to be interesting material that I present. So the first substantive video, which is video number 1, begins either tomorrow or within the next few days. Within each video also, I will include a link to written material that summarizes a lot of what's in the video, and maybe sometimes even more than what's in the video. So you'll be able to not only watch the video itself, but also if you want to just read it, you could basically have the link to get to the PDF. All the PDFs will be on my websites at gutmanvaluations.com as well as heavensadmissions.com. And also the videos I anticipate will be on those websites. I will also have a separate Facebook page that will just cover the legal videos. Right now I'm posting it on my main personal Facebook page, but ultimately it's going to have a separate Facebook page just for the legal videos itself. And then, like I say, it's also going to be on YouTube, hopefully LinkedIn, and I hope you enjoy them, and don't forget to watch the next one. This first one this introduction was about 7 minutes. Tomorrow's going to be a little bit longer, but then most of them are going to probably be in the 5 to 10 minute range. So hopefully you'll watch them and enjoy them and get something out of it. And remember, love right, don't fight. Bye.